Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to publish your website on Ionos. Let's get started. First, head to the Ionos website and click Sign In at the upper right corner. Log in using your customer account credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Websites and Shops. Here, you'll see a list of your websites. Find the site you want to publish and click Edit Site. Inside the website builder, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Publish button. Go ahead and click on that. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know your website is now online and live for the world to see. And that's it. You've successfully published your site on Ionos. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials.